Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 24th of May 2021, and today we'll be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance, and this video will show you guys how to buy to keep, as in long time purchases. You buy and hold it, you buy the dip, as everyone calls it. You can see all the prices are dropping for the past 2 months. It's just like an eruption. So it's the best time to buy cryptocurrencies, but we have to also let you guys know which cryptocurrencies to buy at the moment. You can, as you all know, that Bitcoin purchase is a no right now, because even when Bitcoin was at 50 something K, and I won't advise anyone to buy Bitcoin because I know it's still going to fall. Even the Ethereum and the other coins that have gone up with at full maximum speed, I won't advise anyone to spend money on those coins at the moment. I will advise you guys to focus on the new coins like the Doge, the Shiba Inu, the Drones, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and some other coins that just came out. Those ones have the prospect of going right up in the next 5-4 years. Market speculations will surely hike up the prices. So I will be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance and hold it for a long time. When the price goes up, you just sell it. Then how to also set alerts when the price goes up. That's if you are buying to keep. Then in our upcoming videos as well, I'll show you guys how to trade cryptocurrencies every day. I mean the spot trading, where you'll be trading hourly, every minute, every day, every week. Depends on your style of trading and the market speculation as well. So let's quickly proceed. For those who haven't signed up yet for a free trading account, I stated earlier, these are the sequences. The sequences has changed. The videos we'll be releasing on the introduction to cryptocurrency. We've already released the account sign up video, the account verification, the account funding for global traders, and the account funding for Nigerians using the bank account, and withdraw and more deposit options. So today we'll be focusing on how to buy cryptocurrencies for long-term keep. That's buying the dip. Buying dip. So let me just add it right here. So buying the dip means buying it when it falls and selling it when it goes up. So our next video too will be focusing on the spot trading and using the limit trading option. So here, let's proceed. For those who haven't signed up yet for a Binance account, this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. As you can see, www.binance.com/en/register?ref equals 138775674. That's the link, and we're going to paste the link in the video description on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming videos on the cryptocurrency. These are our channels link. This is the first channel, the second channel, and the third channel. To subscribe to all the channel for more upcoming videos on the cryptocurrency trading and other updates on cryptocurrencies. So just check the video description on YouTube to see all the links right there. So one thing I want you guys to do is to, first of all, download the coin market cap application on your phone. You download it on your phone. I've stated earlier in our previous videos that you need to download the coin market app. I will show you the coin market app now. You will see is an app where you can use to monitor cryptocurrency. Here, the coin market app. See right here, these are on this list. You are seeing here, you are seeing the top currencies at the moment. The top from 1 to the last. You can see Bitcoin is still leading, but it's currently at 39.0. You can see it just changed a bit. Ethereum is number 2, Tether is number 3. Actually, Tether is a stable coin, is always stable in most cases. And Binance coin as well is number 4. As at last few weeks, Binance coin was around 600 and something. Bitcoin was around 50 something thousand, Ethereum was around 3,000 something, Cardano too, all of them were high, then they are all fall. Dogecoin was around 0.7 something as well, and is now 0.36. They are all getting back up again. You can see all the coins right here. Litecoin is number 13, Stellar, Binance USD, Solana, Ethereum Classic, which was around 117 last few weeks, is now 68.50. Is getting back up again because it was lower than this in previous days. So you can see Thrones too, they are all getting back up again. You can see all the top leading coins right here. So you need to download the CoinMarketCap app, where you'll be using to monitor the crypto. You can see the top gainers for today, 24 hours is 1 hour ago. These are the top gainers, and these are the top losers. When you tap on that, you see the top losers. Then you see the recently added coins. Actually, to me, these are shit coins. They are just as irrelevant as you can see. Save Moon Inu right there. You can see some of them. To me, these are still like shit coins. They are still not really relevant because they are new, barely new. So focus on the ones that are on cross-platform for now, to reduce the risk of losing your funds. So let's go back to the download that app, CoinMarketCap. You'll be using it to monitor the cryptocurrency prices daily, hourly, and all that. So I believe you've funded your account. For those who have already registered, and I believe you've also verified your account. So to buy cryptocurrency for keep, all you have to do is to go to your sports trading right there. You go to your sports trading section on the Binance app. You click on trade, then you change this to sport. You can see convert is first, sport is second right there. Then let's assume we are buying Doge. Actually, this account is not funded, but I just to show you guys how to buy or keep. So this is Doge. You always buy against the USDT, which is the stable current, as the tether USDT. So I believe you funded your account using the USDT, or even if you funded using another coin, you would have converted all those coins to USDT. So I'm choosing Doge against USDT at the moment. So here you can see all the prices range right there as it's changing due to the volatility and the market volume right there. You can see it's changing. So all you have to do is to click on this stuff that looks like a candle. You can see it looks like candle right here. That is just before the dollar sign there. You click on it. So you can see here it's showing us this is I tapped 1 day. Actually, if this thing is not showing on your phone, you need to set it, because I'm using an iPhone. You just tap this after the depth, type that icon after the depth there. You click on settings. Then all this, the interval, you can mark line 15 minutes, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 hour. You can mark 12 hours, but you can only mark 5. You can see the display intervals. So for you to see that, then you tap to show the abstract. Then the chart height, set it to default as well. Indicator, you can mark all those right there. So the intervals, I've shown you that the chart art, so you can see all those stuff right there. And the indicator settings there, you can see them. So make sure you mark BOL, as the Bollinger Band. So here I changed this to 1 day just to see how the market was 1 day ago. So if you tap anything on the angle right there towards, you can see 24th of May 2021. You can see the low, the high, the change, the gains. You can see plus 17.61. So it means the currency is going up. It means it's going up. So the low was 0.2951 and the high was 0.3750. So let's assume you want to buy for keep, and you don't want to buy at the current price, which is 0.36. This is the current price right on the top there, 0.36037. So let's assume you are speculating that the price will still go up to go down to 0.2951, which is the 24 hours low. You can also check 15 minutes low right there. Tap on the screen towards the edges You can see the low 15 minutes ago. The low was 0.35811. The high was 0.36463. Then the open was 0.35836. Then the change was plus 0.00203. You can see right there everything, the volume, transaction, everything is right there. So the 1 day own is there. Since you are not in a hurry to buy, you can even check 1 week. If you can wait for 1 week and you are sure that the price will go down, you can just go to more right there and click on 1 week. That's 1W. So 1 week ago, let's check. 1 week ago it's still showing 0.2951. 1 day ago, the low was 0.24782 for 23rd, as 23rd of May. So if you want to buy at, let's assume you want to buy at 0.23, you believe it goes down to 0.23, or you believe it will go down to 0.247, it's just to buy the dip. When it goes down, all you have to do is to go back to, let's press the back arrow there, then make sure you are on spot. Then you on the limits here, you leave the limit right there. Just leave the limits, just set it to limit right there. If you want to buy at the market price, you change this to market price. To buy instantly at the current market price, which is 0.35816 right there. But you have to set this to limit. Then you change this to, let's assume you want to buy at 0.240055. You enter the amount. If you have 200 USDT on your account, you can enter the amount you want to buy. Or if you want to use all the money to buy, you just click on 100%. If you tap 100% right there, it will use all the funds you have to buy. Then you enter the amount of Doge you want to buy, maybe 200 Doge. That will cost you 69.2784. Or maybe you want to buy 1000 Doge, it will cost 240 USD. 550. That's if you are buying at 0.24055. So once you set all these, you just click on buy Doge. Because I don't have funds in the account, so I won't be able to place the trade, so I need to deposit first. But once you click on buy Doge, under the open orders there, you will see your order will be placed. Your order will be placed immediately, and when the price dropped to 0.24055, the order will be placed automatically. Either you are on the app or not, the order will be placed automatically. Even if it's going to take a week, anytime the price drops to 0.24055, the order will be placed automatically. So you can just buy and keep. If you are hopeful that Doge will hit maybe $10 in future or $100 in future, let's assume you buy 1000 Doge today and it hits $100 in future per 1 Doge. That means you will make $100,000 in, maybe it hits $100 in 5 years. That means you'll be worth $100,000 in 5 years time. That's how to buy to keep. So those who bought Bitcoin for $1 then 10 years ago, they are now selling for $57,000 today. That's how they buy the dip and they sell when the price goes up. Buying the dip, you have to wait. The price if you buy it, you can still lose part of your earning, because when the price drop, you also lose some money, and when the price goes up, you get back up again. That's how it really works. So let's assume you want to set an alert. You are buying the dip and you are not interested in trading crypto on a regular basis. You just want to set an alert. When the price goes up maybe to $10, you immediately go back to the app and sell. All you have to do is to go to sell. We are on buy right there. You just click on sell. So here you just type 10. That's 10. Then amount you want to sell. Maybe you want to sell all your 1000 that you bought. You just say 1000. So then 1000. So when the amount gets to 10, you will sell it at 10,000. You just click on sell. Since I don't have any fund there, so the order won't be placed. But if you have a fund there, the order will be placed automatically and it will be on the open orders. So when the amount hits 10 USD, either in 4 years time or 5 years time, automatically it's going to sell it. either you are online or not, is going to sell for you, just like the buy option. So that's how to buy the dip when the price go down and sell when the price goes up for future purposes. We also, in our upcoming videos as well, we'll also be putting you through on how to trade every minute, and that's the spot trading. When the price go down, you will still be using the graph right there. If you watch this video very well and you study, you will have gotten what we are talking about. To the 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, you'll be checking the prices when it's low, buying when it's low, and selling when it's high. So that's how to buy the cryptocurrency when it goes down and sell when it goes up. You can, I'm just using Doge as an example. You can also use BTC, that's Bitcoin, against USDT, or any other coin, either Ethereum, which is ETH. Just type it right there against the USDT. You can see the current price for Ethereum right now is 2661.5. You can see it's changing right there. So any currency you are willing to buy, but I won't advise you to buy the currencies that are high at the moment. Just buy the ones that are low, like the Doge, the Thrones, the Ethereum Classic, the Shiba Inu, and all that. The ones that have the prospect of going up due to market speculation in coming years. So thanks for watching. Bye.